What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just purchased a brand new Faraday box, so we're going to test this thing out, see how it works. Now, if you watched one of my previous videos, I demonstrated how the Faraday pouches lose their ability to block signals over time. But we'll see how this works at first purchase, and then 6 months down the road, we'll see if it's still working effectively. Let's get right into the video. All right, guys, so this Faraday box, this blocks RFID signals, and it's supposed to block cell phone signals as well. I purchased this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. I think it was about $24, something like that. But let's test this baby out. For now, I'm just going to show you that the key fob works, and then we'll put it in the box and see if it works. Okay, lock the door, unlock it. Now let's put it in the box. All right, let's go ahead and put both of them in the box. So we're going to try to lock the door, and it's in the box. So we're going to take the box out. Now I got one hand, so this is tucked under my underarm. And then we're going to try to lock the door. It should not work. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's walk away. And we'll walk back, test and see if it works. Okay, so as you notice, guys, it unlocked the door. Now, both keys are still in the box, okay? Okay, so, and it unlocked the door. Now, that wasn't supposed to happen. All right, so this here is obviously not blocking the signal. This is a brand new box I got off Amazon, and this is the very first time I've tested it out. So, you know, you guys be the judge. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say other than, you know, don't waste your money on it. I mean, basically, that's the only thing I can say, you know. All right, let's make sure. So this material is pretty thick too. It's pretty thick. You know, this should be blocking signals in here. It got the material inside here. The whole thing was all the way closed, you know, no seals. Now both key fobs are in there. You see, both key fobs are in there. I don't have a spare on me or anything like that. It's all the way locked up. So let's take it out and try it again. Maybe that was just, you know, an error or something. Let's try to lock the door. Okay, it don't lock it. Let's walk away like we did last time, you know, and then walk back. Let's see if it locks the door. Okay, so right now it's not working. It's blocking the signal now. Here's the box. Okay, so all right, so I mean it's a little inconsistent if you ask me, just like the pouches. So, you know, it worked that time. Let's give it a third time. As you see, both keys are still in the box. Okay, let's close it all the way up. Lock the latch. Okay, now let's try to lock the door. It should not let me lock the door if I press the button. Okay, it's not letting me. Let's get a little closer. Let's get real close and see if it lets me. Okay, I'm about 10 inches away from a vehicle. The box is right here in my hand, and it's blocking the signal. So, oh, well, it just locked, guys. As you saw that. Let's try to unlock it. See, it's not, it's a little inconsistent. Okay, it let me unlock it. So as you can see, it's still here, and it should not have let me lock and unlock the door. But again, it's not blocking the signal. The second try was blocking the signal. The first try did not block the signal, and the third try did not block the signal. So, I mean, guys, you know, I'm gonna let you be the judge. This is a live video. This is you know, it's not edited or anything. And this is this is a brand new box purchased from Amazon, you know. So I mean, that's it, guys. This is real-time results, first impressions of it. My thoughts are, this is a nice looking box. Got the little gold-plated latch there. You know, it's not real carbon fiber. It got the carbon fiber look. Really, really nice red stitching. It's a nice box, but it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. That's the main thing. No matter how nice it looks, it doesn't block signals. And that's the bottom line. You know, I may send this back because obviously it doesn't do what I purchased it for to do. So I'm going to send this back, guys. You know, and that's it. Drop a comment below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex Ortiz Life signing off.